Break Mitsubishi. My name is Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on this 2018 MY 18.5 Mitsubishi Outlander LS. Now it is an absolutely beautiful vehicle and I'm going to show you some of the features and the actual condition of the vehicle itself. Starting off at the front, you can see we do get that updated Mitsubishi dynamic shield look at the front end there with the 3 diamond locos situated right in the middle. You do get really sharp headlights in these models with the projector beam in there, which gives you a really clear cutoff. Now behind this bumper is the radar for your adaptive cruise control. Up in the mirror is your sonar sensors for the forward collision mitigation, and you do get that really clean DRL that runs through that headlight there. It does give you your car a little bit more visibility during the day, but it also just adds a little bit of elegance to the vehicle. Just down here inside that chrome surround, you do get your fog lights, so you are covered in foggy conditions. That next alloy wheel, once again, really well designed by Mitsubishi. It is a chrome and gunmetal grey design and still brand new tread in those tires as well. Paintwork all the way along the side of the vehicle does present in really good condition. I can't actually fault it even if I'm being picky. We get color matched side mirrors and door handles with the indicator built into the side mirror there. If we open it up and have a look on the inside, this kind of kilometers you wouldn't expect much wear in the seat, but there looks like there's not any at all, so the seat looks like it's in really good condition. Something that tells me the previous owners looked after it and hasn't got lazy and kicked their door open is that there is minimal scuffs along that door there as well. Making our way down, the back windows do look a little bit dark, and that is because they are privacy glass. Now that is not window tint, however I would recommend asking us about our premium window tint because that's going to match the front to the back and give you UV protection as well. On the back wheel here, once again, perfect condition, completely unmarked wheel, and still brand new tire at the time of the video as well. Having a look around the back, you do get those really nice taillights in the 18.5 models with the 3 LED strips in the back there, and the the chrome tailgate splitter in the middle there does look really nice. Stands out really nicely with the silver paintwork as well. We've got color matched parking sensors down the bottom, high mounted stoplight, and that rear wiper as well. Opening up the tailgate, something awesome about these Mitsubishis is the 50-50 split of this the rear seat, so you don't lose much space in the back. Then you can sit someone in the back pretty comfortably as well. Just under here you do get a cargo blind, so if you're not using the rear seats you can keep everything in the back nice and private. Closing that back up, we'll make our way along this side now. Fuel filler cap is on this side, being the safe side, so if you do get stuck on the side of the road, you know you're not going to get hit by traffic. That next wheel, so this side usually cops the most amount of scratches on the wheels, however that is once again a completely unmarked wheel there. Paintwork, as the other side, is in remarkable condition, so nothing I can actually point out that actually needs to be pointed out. There are no marks on this paintwork at all. And on that next alloy wheel, the one that usually gets all the scratches when you park next to a curb, once again completely unmarked. So 4 completely unmarked wheels, paintwork's in remarkable condition. So as you can see, the car has been very well looked after. So what we're going to do now is open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. You can look under the bonnet now. What we have is Mitsubishi's iconic Myvec engine. It is a 4-cylinder 2.4 litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The ANCAP safety rating of this vehicle is 5 stars with 7 airbags. You get a power output of 124 kilowatts with 220 newton meters of torque. The petrol fuel tank holds 60 liters of 91 fuel, giving you a combined fuel consumption of 7.2 liters per 100 and an average fuel distance, depending on your driving style, of about 833 kilometers from a full tank. Inside the Outlander now, just on the driver's side door here, you do get your power window controls. Now the front driver's side is automatic up and down. Just above that we've got your central locking buttons and the window lock buttons. Above that again, the toggle for your power mirrors. Now there is a button there that lets you fold them in, but the mirrors themselves do actually fold in when you lock the car. On the right hand side here we've got your forward collision mitigation distance control, lane departure warning, and parking sensors. On the right hand stalk of the steering wheel, on the right hand side of the steering wheel behind the stalk is the level adjuster for your headlights. You've got traction control and a button that looks like 2 credit cards, which lets you change what you see in the digital display between the clusters. On the right hand stalk we've got automatic headlights, automatic high beams, and your indicators. On the left hand stalk we've got rain sensing wipers, and your washer and wiper controls for the rear washer and wiper. On the steering wheel itself, very nice leather wrap steering wheel. We've got cruise control and adaptive cruise control settings on the right, and your media controls and hands-free call settings on the left. If we make our way into the middle screen now, you do get digital radio, AM and FM radio, iPod connection, USB connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity, and the great thing is you also get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So if you did want to connect your phone with a USB cable, you get your Google Maps as navigation. So no map updates, and you always get live traffic updates. Just down here you've got eco mode and your hazard button. Just up below that again, dual zone climate control. So the passenger can have a different temperature to the driver. Just down here again, your 12-volt socket, an insert for your key fob, 2 covered cup holders, and that leather wrap shifter, which when you bring it down into drive, you can have a couple of extra drive modes if you did want a little bit of extra power. Behind it again, full drive control, your electric park brake, auto hold, and in that leather wrapped center console there, you do get a little tray at the top here, and in there you've got 2 USB inputs and a 12-volt socket, as well as a fair bit of storage. Now if we pan around the interior, you will notice the vehicle has been looked after really well. So real credit to the previous owner for how well they have actually taken care of this vehicle. So much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video on this beautiful Outlander. A couple of things I would recommend: in this kind of condition, you're going to want to protect your paintwork, so please ask us about the glass coat. That's going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, protect it against a variety of environmental damages, things like bird droppings, bat droppings, fading, oxidization, and a variety of other damages as well. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan, because that's going to give you an extra 5 years of cover on top of your new car warranty on 181 electrical and mechanical components of the vehicle. You also get 10 years of platinum roadside assist, $3,600 claims, and unlimited claims, so really good value there as well. Now if you have any questions, please give us a call on 99070555. And just before I go, have a look at our Google reviews as well. Have a read through what people have to say about us, because you will see that we do deliver excellent service during the sale and after the sale. People enjoy dealing with us. We make the process easier, and we make sure that you are buying a good quality vehicle from the right people. Once again, the number is 99070555. My name is Josh, and thank you so much for watching.